Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do an easy messy updo on medium length hair. Start by curling the hair, but this doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm going to take my comb and divide it from the top of the head to just above the ear and clip out of the way for later. Do this on both sides of the head. Divide the remaining hair in half straight across, and with that top section we're going to pop it into a ponytail. On the last turn, only pull the ponytail about halfway through to create a little loop. Grab each side of the loop, pull them apart to create more volume and then push it towards the head. Secure with a few bobby pins. Find that elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through. Take the tail end of that ponytail, pass it to your fingers and pull it through the elastic band. Then pinch and pull at the edge of the loop for more volume. Then pinch and pull at the hair around the crown for some more texture. And we're going to repeat the same steps on the hair below. So create another ponytail. On the last turn, pull it halfway through to create a loop. Grab each side, pull it apart and then push it up so it meets the first bun. Then secure with as many bobby pins as needed. Pop a couple of fingers through the elastic band, pass the tail ends to your fingers and pull them all the way through. Then stretch out the side for more volume. Release those side sections down and I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face. With the remaining hair, divide this in half so you have a top and a bottom section. Take that bottom section, twist it a couple of times towards the head and then pin it at the side of the bun, leaving the ends hanging down. Next, we're going to split that top section in half and we're going to pin one right at the top of the bun, so just hold it to the side and secure with a bobby pin. With that last little section, again give it a couple of twists, but we're going to bring it over the bun to the opposite side and secure. And then we're simply going to repeat on the opposite side. So split your hair in half with the bottom section, bring it towards the bottom of the bun and secure with a bobby pin. Split the remaining hair in half and we're going to pin one at the top of the bun, again leaving the ends hanging out. And then with that last little piece of hair we're going to bring it over the top of the bun to the opposite side and secure. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.